Hi there, I'm here today to talk to you about the UniWigs new upgraded Clear Topper. This one is a truffle brown, 16 inches. So I'm going to just give you my quick thoughts on it and we'll get right into it. So the new upgrade Clear Topper has a 6-inch by 6-inch base. It is a mono top lace front. It has 110% hair density, and whereas the original Clear Topper has 120% density, and the new Clear is a little bit larger base. The original one has a 5.5 inch by 5.5 inch base. Both of them have the lace front that you would trim once you have it on and fitted to you. And if you're like me, I have a fairly good front hairline, so if I was keeping this one, I would trim the lace all the way back and wear the hair slightly behind my natural hairline and blend my hair into it. But I think with the lace, it would be ideally suited to someone who has maybe a receding hairline, and then you can wear the lace to create a new hairline for you. Anyway, as you can see, I've popped it on, and with the halo wire, it has that front lace sitting really flat against my forehead. Then I just gently brush through my hair and the topper hair. So you want to make sure that you're pulling all of your natural hair out from underneath that halo wire so nothing's caught up around the sides or the back, and then blending your bio hair into the topper to give that seamless transition. So once I have that all brushed through and in place, I go through and clip. There's 4 pressure sensitive clips in there, so I clip those into place. Although with the halo wire, you may find you don't even need to clip all of those in place. You can see that just clips in really easy and looks really good and flat and blends fairly seamlessly with my own bio hair and on my forehead area. You can see it's very natural looking at the front. I have not done anything to camouflage or change the part line. I left it a center part. And you can also see how well it lays across the forehead. That lace just blends seamlessly. Overall, I think the upgrade Clear Topper is a really good option for someone looking for a lower density piece, and something that will give a nice natural looking amount of hair. So also I wanted to mention that the upgrade Clear is a little lower price point than the original Clear due to that having a less density. It also has more color options, so that's something to look for too. It also has the face framing layers already pre-cut into it, which makes it really nice. As I said before, I've hardly done anything to this one. It's just basically straight out of the box. Upgrade Clear is a great option if you're looking for something lightweight and breathable, easy to wear and blend without having to spend a ton of money.